Hey there guys, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to a bonus video. So today I'm going to be using the window box die and I'm going to be creating a box using some of the products, or actually just one of the products from this month's Paper Pumpkin. This is something I would like to continue doing if you guys are interested. I hardly ever do 3D and it's something that I would like to start doing. So you saw me, I cut out two boxes from a piece of crumb cake. I cut it in half, a 5.5, and then I centered this where I wanted it on the flower seed packet, and I cut out just what will be the top of the box. So before you start adhering, you want to go through both boxes. You want to go ahead and score everything on the score line, and I'm just doing a dry run right here. If you want to see more on how to put together this box, Stampin' Up! Has a great video, or I also have one from Valentine's last year where I made this like exploding top box. But I'm just going to adhere this with tearing tape. You're going to want to either use tearing tape or you're going to want to use like Fast Fuse, which we no longer carry, but that's also Tombow Extreme that you can find at your craft store. So I'm just going to add that to the tabs that I know that are going to adhere together. And after I've done all that, I'm going to go ahead and start adhering. I had to have this right in front of my face for the most part, but you can see here that I'm just butting up those edges together. And again, it's really quick, really simple, and it doesn't take much to figure out. If I can figure this out, you guys can figure this out, I promise. So I'm going to go through and just putting all of this together. I really love this box. I think it's really pretty, like the shape of the box. But you guys know I'm not huge into vintage, but gosh darn, I love this box. So I am doing the score lines on the rose pattern that I did, and then I'm going to use some of my tape runner. This is the Scotch tape, what's it called? I don't remember. Tape gun, I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and adhere that, and the way I'm doing that is I'm just lining them up, the sides up first, and then I'll line up the top, and then that will be it for how we put the box together. To add a bit more dimension, I'm gonna bring in my crumb cake ink pad and the ink blender that I used yesterday with the crushed curry on it. I didn't take it off or anything. I just went ahead and used that. And you can see me here burping my stamp set, my ink pad, and that's just to make sure I get ink on the lid. I have found that I enjoy getting ink on the lid rather than taking the blending sponge to the ink pad. I'm distressing, guys. Who am I? I feel like I've been body snatched or something. So like I said, I'm adding crumb cake to all of the corners. I guess you can call them corners. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to add some more to the top. Just like I said, just to add a bit of dimension. I mean, this is already distressed as it is, so add some more. So thank you guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this bonus video. I will see you guys next week. Bye for now.